Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Trust me, you'll want to click that link in the description and grab yours today. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Listen. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. The feedback from other buyers